The trend of earning easy money could be seen rapidly rising to the peak in today's time. Many educated fraudsters had surfaced to the limelight as well. Middle class and economically backward civilians were the most targeted section in those cases. Some fraudsters fraudulently take lakhs and lakhs of money by promising government jobs, while some by giving false assurance to issuing land parcels for land compensation purpose from the four-laning National Highway project. Likewise, at this instance, as the NHAI had initiated compensating the land owners of Karbi Anglong whose land falls under the four-laning National Highway project, many bona fide and genuine landowners could be seen alienated from the compensation. According to sources, it was informed that people who had never set foot even once on the Section 5 area of the project are profiting lakhs and lakhs of land compensation money leaving behind the genuine landowners of the area. Genuine landowners are deprived from the land compensation due to absence of land pata documents. Likewise, an individual named Roshan Hanse, portraying himself as a journalist, took a sum of Rs.15 lakhs from Khoyasing Engti with an assurance of providing land pata.
Hanse.
Roshan Hanse.
Kumala Roshan Hanse.
Roshan
Hanse ho pengopet.
Department namun din ma.
Aha. Soalnya bu la reporter bon.
Reporter. Kopi long term claiming yang di sini ma.
Soalnya ni di depan sini.
The visual you see here is Roshan Hanse. Roshan Hanse promised the old-age man Khoyasing Engti to issue the land pata of his name to get the exact compensation value of the resources present at his home. Roshan Hanse was averse to the compensation of Section 5 region of the four-laning project at Karbi Anglong, hence proceeded knowingly towards Khoyasing Engti and fraudulently took Rs.15 lakhs from his possession.
Nang dilong lagi tu ni ko anak
dilong lagi dun ke aprang ke son ek bikha kon yang der bikha kom ke matron no lusaben yang
la so ting pen long le ting pen nang dilong ma long le di tang de la bang so long jirat pe ni la thing pi theng phang hom purti pe ni ha ki dun pe ni da son anam long ik la lo ma
la so nam ne ta ni phan ke putar baklang le amut operation ang pilo la.
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.